Word of the day. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today's word of the day is enthusiastic, meaning full of excitement and interest in something. Word of the day is independent, meaning someone or something that is free from the influence or control of another. Word of the day is compassion, meaning a strong feeling of sympathy and sadness for suffering of others and a wish to help them. Word of the day is benevolent, meaning kind, friendly, and helpful to others. Word of the day is orthodox, meaning closely following the old traditional beliefs, ceremonies, etc. Word of the day is grievous, meaning having very serious effects or causing great pain. Word of the day is amateur, meaning taking part in an activity for pleasure, not as a job. Word of the day is glutton, meaning a person who eats and drinks excessively. Word of the day is bafflement, meaning completely unable or understand or explain something. Word of the day is mollycoddle, meaning to give someone too much care or protection. Thank you for watching.